Hi, in this video, we will talk about how to invoke the Java code from a Mule application. So let's build a Mule flow for it. Let me create a project with the name invoke-java. Click on finish. And this is my actual XML from which I'll be invoking the Java code. So before that, I need to create a Java code. I already have a simple Java code which takes name as a command line argument like an input, and it will print it in the console. So let me copy this simple Java code, and I'll paste it in this src main java directory. And if you see, this is my class name, so my file name should be, I'll create a class first. Great, it is great. Now I'll paste the Java code that I have copied. As you can see, this is my class name, which will be my file name. Now I will invoke this Java code from this mule flow, so for which I'll be building a mule flow listener, and I'll provide my listener configuration, leave as it is, and the path of the API will be slash API invoke hyphen java is what I want to provide. Now I will get one connector called invoke static. This we can use for invoking our Java code, and this takes the command line arguments, as well as we have to provide the class name and the method. So if I do search, I can actually search for my class name. This is my class name. Once I add this, it will show all my methods in that class. So as you can see, this is my methods. So I'm selecting this main, or even I can select this one. So let's go with this one, whatever. So, and as I said, like, this takes the command line arguments. Now I will provide the data wave expression for it. Percentile dw 2.o. Output format will be application slash json, three hyphens, and then here I want to provide my name as John. Okay, so this is what I gave, and as you can see, we are closing the braces as well. This is actual Java JSON format. Now I have saved it. I'll just print a logger with the message Java code has been executed. All right, let me run this application. Meanwhile, I'll go to my Postman. I will make a HTTP call. I'll create a HTTP call, localhost colon 8081. This is the port on which my application is running on, slash API slash invoke hyphen java. Now let me take a look at this application status. So it is deployed. As you can see, this is deployed. Let me invoke the application hello John. So from here, I'm passing the input as John, and it is taking the command line argument and printing. That is how we can invoke the Java code from a Mule application. And say, for example, you have some dependency files that uh, that are required by this Java code. In that case, you can keep those dependency or dependent file in this src main resources directory. This is where our actual dependent files or the configuration files can be stored. All right, that's all about this session. Thanks for watching.